How to change profile picture in Life360. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Life360 app on your device and make sure that you sign in or log into your account. Once you're on this location page, head towards the gear icon at top left corner. You need to simply navigate to Universal Settings section and select Account. And then you see the option to profile at top. Simply you need to select that and you will land on this page of edit profile. Here you can simply tap on the small camera icon on your profile picture. Select that and here you will get the two options to choose your picture whether from camera or gallery. So let's choose one of those. And here you can easily adjust the picture. And now tap on crop at top right corner of your screen. And here we can see that we have got that picture. To save, tap on the save button at top right and your picture in Life360 will be changed. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.